Yeah, should Sea-Doo make a 2-liter? Guys, I'm going to put this to bed, and I know a lot of people are going to be like, no, I don't want to listen to it. Rotax does not own a patent. Rotax, the engine company, does not own a patent for a 4-cylinder engine. They are not going to offer a 4-cylinder engine until you see a new patent come out for a 4-cylinder. And I'm going to tell you right now, it ain't going to be in the Sea-Doo first. Jet skis are always the hand-me-down kid. You know the little brother that gets all the hand-me-downs? That's jet skiing. Very rarely does BRP come out with a technology where it's first on the Sea-Doos. Very rarely is it first on the Sea-Doos. It's typically first on the ski-doos, on the snowmobiles, or on the Can-Ams, typically. But once in a blue moon, something comes out on a Sea-Doo first, and then it trickles into the other machines. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.